In this video, I'll be reviewing the Komkaer, if that's how you pronounce that, USB Type-C hub. This should work with any device with a USB Type-C version 3.1 port. And this hub was provided to me for no charge by the company to review, but I was not paid to review it. And here's my unbiased review. So the outside's made of some sort of aluminum or metal, and the body is made of plastic, so it's fairly light. And the cable's quite durable and flexible, and so is the connector. It's durable. It has one HDMI port, 3 USB Type 3 ports, or USB 3.0 ports, one SD card slot, one micro SD card slot, one Ethernet port, and a USB-C for charging the device while this is plugged in, as well as a headphone jack or audio port. I tested all the ports on a MacBook and they all worked perfectly. And overall, it's a very good option for the MacBook because you don't have to, or you're going to have an extra USB-C port when you plug it in, and some USB-C hubs take 2 USB-C ports up, and so that's another positive thing about it. And one negative thing about it is that it doesn't have any feet on the bottom, but that's not a very big deal, and it wouldn't be very difficult at all to add feet yourself. And the only other thing I could think of is the build quality. I mean, it is built well, and I don't have a problem with the quality of it, but some people might prefer a heavier or all metal design for a USB-C hub, so just keep that in mind. And the link will be in the description for this USB-C hub, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. See you in the next one.